Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. You're watching Iqbal Virtual Academy and this is Umama Akram. Welcome back to physics lecture and it is our physics lecture 2. You ready? Let's go. Hope you enjoyed the first lecture and you liked it. Let's go for the next. Question number 1 is that how does universe change? And the answer is that universe change because of expanding. So why expanding occurs? Expanding occurs because of the black energy. You know what, many of people have the question that what is actually the black energy? So the answer is that black energy is a form of energy what triggers the universe expanding, right? Question number 2 is that why do things fall on the ground? The answer is really simple. Things fall on the ground because of the gravity. Gravity attracts the things towards the ground and then let them fall. And that's all the gravity, right? Question number 3 is that why does moon changes its shape during the month? And the answer is that the half of the moon that points toward the sun looks bright because it is lit by the sunlight. The moon appears to change shape because we see different amounts of the lit part as the moon orbits Earth. Right? When the moon is between Earth and the sun, the lit size is hidden from us. As it moves around the Earth, more and more of the lit side comes into view. Then it begins to disappear again. Right? So that was the answer of the question that why moon changes its shape during the month. Question number 4, that what makes the sun hot? And the answer is simple. That is that sun is very hot because there's a lot of burning of matter on the star sun. A nuclear fission chain reaction happens on the surface of the sun. The heat produced from the nuclear reaction makes sun red and hot, and some energy is emanated in the form of radiation. These radiations carry out a lot of energy that hits us and hits up our bodies and the atmosphere. Question number 5, that what rules govern the behavior of the universe? And the answer is that gravitation, light, and matter govern the universe behavior. It's really a burning question nowadays that what rules govern the behavior of universe, right? Thanks a lot for watching. That was all about physics lecture 2. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.